Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed from Erin Reed Makes, and welcome. I love to create all different kinds of crafts. Kids crafts, cards, DIY, home decor. You name it, I probably have done it, except for yarn. I haven't quite gotten into yarn. I love to create cards. It's one of the fun things I love to do. I have a live card making class every Wednesday on my Facebook and YouTube channels, both called Erin Reed Makes, where we create all kinds of fun cards, from clean and simple cards, interactive cards, cards for mass production, and also mixed media cards. And you can see all the examples here. My daughter and I also love to create kids crafts together, along with my son, and we create tons of fun kids crafts. We go live on my channel usually on Sundays about once a month, and we create lots of fun kids crafts, and it's just a great way to get the kids interested in arts and crafts, and also it's fun for adults too. A lot of fun. I also love doing home decor. I do a ton of different types of home decor, from framed art to felt crafts to simple just ornaments for Christmas, just all different kinds of fun things that I love to create, just getting out there and being crafty and being creative. How do I store all my amazing supplies? Well, some of the supplies you can see behind me. I store tons of different things in my giant IKEA wall with my containers. I also have my desk, and here is kind of a quick preview of what you're seeing, what looks like my desk. I really use my craft space to the best advantage as I can, because it is a small space, but I use what I can. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow all my amazing social media channels on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and YouTube. I create videos about 4 or 5 times a week, and I post quite regularly, even on my website, Erin Reed Makes. That's the same as all my other social media. So I'd love for you to follow along and just be creative. Bye, everybody.